Welcome back to the CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to learn some basic exercise tensioner assembly and its part design. Now we design our first part, base of this tensioner. Now first of all our all dimension are in mm and previously calculated, and this is our first part. First of all, save as a backup base, okay, and yes. Now this our part name is base. Now select right plane and extrude both base. Now first of all make sure our center line is infinite. Now draw sketch like this. Draw our sketch like this and select our sketch and mirror about axis and okay. Now select smart dimension and this dimension is 150 and this line dimension 130 and this height is 15, this 120 and this height is 30, and our total length of this our extrude is 390. Our sketch is fully defined. Now exit sketch and select this direction option, mid plane to extrude. Now this dimension is extrude up to 290 and okay. Now this base are partially done. Select fillet option, apply dimension of this fillet 25 mm, this edge and okay. Now going to this chamfer. Now this chamfer dimension is 3 and 45 degree. Select this edge and this edge and okay. Now one more feature applying. Select fillet, dimension is 10 mm radius. Select this edge and this edge, this edge and make sure okay. Now this base done, but we applying mounting hole. Now select this top plane, extrude cut, and the sketch are already created, and select the sketch and normal. Now select center line, infinite length and like this. Select the circle. Now this circle to this edge distance is 35 mm. This upper edge to this circle distance is 35 mm and this circle diameter is 30 mm. Now going to mirror. Select our circle, mirror about axis. Now this circle mirror are complete. Now one more time going to mirror, select this circle, second circle, mirror about this axis. Now OK and exit sketch. Make sure this direction is in the reverse direction and this option is through all. Now see, this hole are perfectly cutted. See, now this our base are complete. Now applying appearance. Now this is our full part base. Scroll down, select any color and OK. Now see, this our first part is done. And going to select this front plane and extrude. Now make sure this center line, select midpoint, infinite length, select this line, select this relation horizontal and one more vertical line, infinite length. Draw like this. Now we draw our second part is bracket to support our tensioner. Now first of all draw circle, applying dimension 70. Now select the line, infinite length, select the line, midpoint line and draw like this, right click, select. Now draw one more line like this. Now add relation, cancel it, add relation, this line and this our created line, make it tangent. OK, trim entity and trim extra entity and select OK. Now select this our sketch, and going to mirror entity about this axis and OK. Now trim extra entity, like this. Now define our sketch, going to smart dimension, this center line to this base dimension is 200 mm. This distance is 200 mm. Right click, select and the sketch in this side. Now this line dimension is 290. Right click, select and this line dimension is 20 mm. Now done. Exit sketch and this extrude up to 200 mm. 20 mm and OK. Now face are created, select this face, extrude and normal. Draw circle like this, select, exit and this circle extrude up to 25 mm. 25 mm and exit. Now this circle extrude complete. Now one more time select this face, going to extrude cut, and the sketch are normal. Now circle and draw one more circle. This circle is rest of our shaft. Exit. Now this option, select to direction option and select this through all both side. Then see, both side perfectly cutted. Okay, see, perfectly cutted. Now select this face, extrude, and the sketch are normal. Now one more, first of all draw center line to define our sketch. Now select this rectangle and draw like this. Now right click and drag upper side and select this dimension option, and this dimension is 120. Now right click, select, then going to go to add relation, this edge and this our line, make sure this one was collinear, and okay. Now going to apply fillet, go to this fillet, dimension is 25 mm, and select this corner or this corner, and okay, and exit, and exit. Now this one was in reverse direction, select this reverse direction option, and dimension is 20 mm, and okay. Now done. Now this supporting bracket are done, but if this bracket are break, then we apply rib on this middle of this object, our bracket. Then select right plane, select this rib option, select this sketch and normal, and draw one rib sketch. Now only this type of line to join our object. Now this line to this edge angle is 55, and exit. In rib, three options are there: one side rib, this one both side, and this one another side. We need this both side and 20 mm, and if we select this draft angle apply, then this is outer draft minimum 1, maximum as per our need. In this design we applying 4-degree draft angle outer side, draft outward, and now press OK. Then see, if we show the draft, then select this face and normal it. Now show this our side in the outer side, 4-degree draft angle applied. Now select this face and extrude cut, and the sketch are normal. Now draw one circle on this face. Now going to line, select center line, infinite length, and draw like this. Now going to this smart dimension, select this one. This dimension is, circle diameter is 30. This center point to this edge distance is 35, and same as this center, this edge to this center distance is 35 mm. And right click and select the circle, going to mirror, select mirror about, and this axis, okay, and show mirror are completely done, and exit sketch. Now see, through all, and okay. Now see, this our circle cut are perfectly done. Now we apply radius on this our object. Then going to fillet, this and this dimension is 6 mm. This edge, this edge. And one small fillet if we applying this edge if we need. Now see, this our bracket are perfectly done. Now we apply one more chamfer on this shaft resting area. Select this one and select this. Make sure this radius is 3 mm, sorry, yes, 3 mm and 30 degree. This one is 30 degree and one is not 30. Then select this edge first and flip and second and flip direction. Now done. See, our bracket are completely done. Now apply appearance. Now click OK and see, this is our object perfectly done. Now press Ctrl S, then save our object. Part number 2, supporting bracket. Click this new and we design our third part. Pulley, then press Ctrl S. First of all we save pulley or tensioner. Now select this right plane, revolve and first of all define center line and our all dimension are in mm. This one make sure vertical. Now first of all draw random sketch like this. Now select this line, make sure this one was horizontal and select this sketch, mirror and mirror about this axis. Done. Now going to smart dimension. This dimension is 100 mm. This line dimension is 75 mm. This edge to this center line means this bore dia is 50 and this line to this dia was 80. This line to this dia 170 and this line to this center line means our OD is 210 mm and our thickness as per cast is 15 mm. Now this sketch are fully defined. Exit axis, defined axis, select this and OK. Now this our tensioner done, but if we now applying radius, select going to this fillet, dimension is 6 mm, select different edge, this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, now see, going to cross section view, select different plane. Now see, this is our object half done pulley. Now applying chamfer on edge, going to this chamfer, select this edge and select this edge. This dimension is 5 and degree is 30. One is automatic 30 degree, 5 mm our radius, but second one is not applying perfectly. Then going to this edge, select and flip direction and okay. Now done. This is our object fully perfectly created. Now if need, then add balancing hole on this pulley OD and remove extra material, and going to this hole wizard feature. First of all, this cross section remove, going to this hole wizard feature, this hole wizard and select simple hole, this one. Down, select this ISO as per our requirement, select dowel hole and select the size. We select this 10 mm diameter and deep, select this blind option, deep maximum 6 mm. Now going to this position and select this our OD, this dimension. Now select the dimension, smart dimension, this center point to this distance is as per our requirement. And okay. Now see, this hole are perfectly done and our pulley is on the balancing, but this but not need this one hole. As per requirement, we change number of holes. Then select this, apply circular pattern and select this face, and this number of hole is near about 5, 4, 3 etc, and the degree as per our need, and okay. Now this our pulley are perfectly done. Show the cross section view of our this pulley. Now apply appearance. First of all, remove the cross section appearance, and this pulley make sure this pulley different color, light yellow, okay. Now this pulley are perfectly done. Control S. Press this save, then our pulley are saved. Now select new and design our next component. Now this component is our last component, shaft. First of all, we save as blank shaft, save. Now this is our object, save as blank name shaft. First of all, see all dimension are in mm. Select right plane, revolve, select the center line, infinite length and draw like this, and one more center line to define perfectly, and make sure this one was in fully defined. Now select the line, select this object, this line and our sketch like this. Now select the sketch, going to mirror, select this mirror about axis and OK. Now complete our sketch like this. Now as per our requirement, this dimension we need 100 mm, this dimension need 45 mm, and this dimension is automatically 45, and this dia is rest in our bracket, then this need 30, and this dia is automatically 50 because this diameter rest in our pulley or tensioner. Now exit this and define center line like this. OK. Now this our shaft are done. Some feature are pending. Apply tool radius is per our tool 0.5 or 1 mm. This is rough model, not perfectly created, only for study purpose. Like this, tool radius are done. Now applying chamfer, select the chamfer, select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Now make sure this chamfer are in 30 degree. Now see this first one, first of all apply dimension 2 mm or 3 mm. Now see this first one done, second one done, but this third and fourth not done. Then select this edge and select flip direction, select another this one and flip direction and OK. Now these our shaft are perfectly created. Now going to this appearance feature and apply different color, light done, light red and done. Now so this is our fourth part. Now press Ctrl S or press this save button. Now create assembly, then going to this new, assembly, and this our all part are created in our document file. Now first of all we select the base and drag like this default position. Now going to this assembly, insert component, second one is our bracket and drag like this. Now going to mat, select this face and this face, make sure this one was in coincident relationship. OK, select this face and this face, make sure this one was in coincident. OK, and this hole and this hole, make sure concentric. Now this bracket are perfectly done, press OK. Now one more time insert component, select the supporting bracket and drag like this. Now going to mat, same as this face and this face. OK, and this face and this face, make sure coincident but in the reverse direction. See, OK, and this circle and this circle, make sure this one also concentric. Now this our both objects are perfectly placed. Now press OK. Select new component, pulley, first of all cross section any part plane, right plane like this. Okay. Now going to insert component, select the pulley, select this face and select this face. First of all going to mate, this face are automatically selected, select this face, done. Now this, first of all press OK. Now going to we add one more relation, plane relation coincident. Our first part front plane and our this last part pulley, second last part pulley front plane. Make sure this one was in coincident position. Okay and okay. Now see this one rotating perfectly, this pulley rotate perfect. Now cross section hide, cross section on, and see perfectly placed. Now we insert our last component, shaft. Going to mate, select the object outer OD, shaft OD, and this our pulley ID. Make sure both are in concentric. Press OK. Now select this face and select this face and press OK. Now see this our object in are the perfectly placed. Press OK and done. Now do not forget to like video, share with your friends and subscribe channel for this type of more interesting tutorials. Thanks.